Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ken of ENG. AllEnglishGrammar.com is my website. In this website, you can learn grammar rules, summaries of lessons, English grammar exercises, videos, children's stories. In this video, you are going to know the summary of Vinoba, a portrait sketch, written by Hallam Tennyson. Vinoba is the embodiment of India. He started a new kind of pilgrimage. He used to wake up at 4 o'clock and walked from one village to another, along with his followers and an ox cart. In ox cart there were typewriters, stationery, a filling cabinet, along with their bedding. The purpose of their pilgrimage is to collect land from the landlords for the landless peasants. He collected 1 million acres of land in 2 years of the landless peasants. He collected 1 million acres of land in 2 years for the landless peasants. His target was 50 million acres of land. The land gift mission started in 1951 in Hyderabad. He of the landless peasants. He went to an area where communist agitators were murdering landlords and appealed to the landlords to treat him as one of their sons and give his share of property. His appeal touched their imagination. They gave him land, and the land gifts mission was born like that. In his 2 month stay in Hyderabad, he received nearly 1800 acres. In 2 years, he had collected not less than 1 million acres of land as free gift for landless peasants. Vinoba lived in seclusion in a village in central India. He was leading a new kind of pilgrimage. At that time, the writer Tennyson met him. Vinoba looked much older than his 57 years of age. He was a great scholar and good mathematician. The writer could not understand why he had renounced everything and chosen such a simple life. Renunciation of worldly possessions occurs in every Hindu heart and in old age. They throw up everything and retire to die in a hut of the Ganges. But Vinoba reversed it. Instead of leading a retired life, he took up social service at the age of 57. Vinoba followed Gandhiji. Vinoba had only a spinning wheel and some homespun clothes for his possessions. He refused the offer of motor cars because the farmers cannot afford them. He had a chronic duodenal ulcer and subject to dysentery. But these didn't stop him from doing service to the poor. When he had malaria, he refused to be treated with quinine because poor peasants could not afford it. Vinoba won over the landlords by touching their conscience. He approached them in a spirit of loving conciliation. He refused anything less than 1 by 6 of the best property of the landlord. Vinoba learned 16 languages to converse more freely with anyone. Vinoba acquired his strength through renunciation. At the age of 10, he took a vow of chastity which he has kept up throughout. At the age of 20, when he joined Gandhiji's rural center, he burnt all his certificates and diplomas. He was confident that his work would succeed. His attitude to work was that one should attend to one's duty without worrying about what the result would be. Like fire which burns without caring to know whether anyone put a pot on it, filled it with water and put rice in it to make meal. They woke up at 3:30 a.m. and by 4 o'clock they assemble for prayers and silent spinning. In half an hour they set off on foot for their next stopping place. At daybreak they have roadside breakfast. Meanwhile, Vinoba listens to the problems of the crowd that gathers. By 10 o'clock, the party reaches the village. Vinoba summons the local landlords. He explains to them the need of the peasants and their rights. In the evening, the landlords themselves are made to declare how much land they are ready to give. He sets up a village committee to the cultivation of the distributed land. Vinoba avoids publicity. He has his own dignity, emphasis, and methods. He rarely speaks of Gandhi in public. He has dedicated his life to the service his fellow human beings and he believes to see the God in them. Thank you viewers. Thanks for watching my video. If you find this video is useful, please comment on the box and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.